All right, so I'm going to do 7.6, which is determining general solutions to differential equations. 7 is about particular. That's just like the indefinite integral and definite integral. In the top one, we're going to have a c in there, and in the particular, we're going to solve for c and find that answer. But right now, we're going to do two problems where we are finding a general solution, and that's what you're doing for 7.6. So if you look in highlight there, it says we want to separate the variables. So what that means is, and they give you some examples down here below. I kind of wish you would put those up there first. First thing you want to do on this example one is we want to rewrite y prime. We want to make y prime into dy dx. That's our goal. And that is equal to 2x over y. Now what you want to do here is you want to get all your y's on one side and all your x's on the other. And since the dy is on the top on the left side, we're going to multiply this dx over here with that 2x, and we're going to multiply this y over here with that because we need the dy and dx both in the numerator. So when we do that, we will get y dy is going to equal 2x dx. And now we want to solve this thing for y. So in order to get rid of a dy, we have to integrate. So we are going to integrate each side. So when you integrate y, you get y squared over 2. And it is plus some c, but we really don't care what that c is right now, because on this side, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to get 2x squared over 2, which those are going to reduce. And then we're going to get some c right there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to multiply, and this c on the right, well, there was a plus c on this side with a y, but we are going to subtract it over with that c, so it's a whole brand new c, so we don't really worry about it. So what we want to do is take this 2 in the denominator under y squared, and we're going to multiply that to the other side. So we're going to get y squared is going to equal 2x squared plus some c. And then we're going to solve that for y by doing the square root of this. So y is going to equal the square root of 2x squared plus c. And we should put a plus minus with that. Now, on the AP test, there's a lot of times there's a question about which answer is going to work, the plus or the minus. And that's going to come from the point they give you. So we'll talk about that more when the time comes. So we're going to come down here and do the next problem here, which we're going to do the same thing we just did. Okay, we're going to get the dy and keep it on the left, take the dx to the right, and then we're going to get the cosine of y with the dy. So we multiply the cosine over with the dy, and then we multiply the dx over with the 4x cubed. And that's separating the variables, all the y's on the left, all the x's on the right. And on the AP test, you get 1 point just for doing that. Now we're going to integrate both sides. So we're going to integrate, and we're going to integrate. I move the 4 outside the integral this time. So the integral of cosine of y is sine y. And again, there is a plus c there, but we subtract it over to the other side. And then over here, we're going to get our 4 in front, and then we're going to take, actually, let's get that out of there. Okay, we're going to actually multiply the 3 times the 4 and get 12 here. Oh, I lied. We're doing integral. My bad. Get that to go away. There we go. All right, it came back. All right, we got the 4 out front, so we're going to add 1 to this power, and we get x to the 4th over 4. And then we get some plus c, and I hope we see that those 4's reduce. So now we have sine y is equal to x to the 4th plus some c. And we got to get that y all by itself. So the way to get rid of the sine is do inverse sine on both sides. So y is going to equal the inverse sine, or arc sine, if you want to write the word arc sine out there, of x to the 4th plus c. And that right there is going to be our solution. So that's how you're doing general solutions. Good luck on the homework. If you need help, let me know, and we'll take care of it.